this is kind of what they look like in comparison. The strap is adjustable, not detachable. The strap is detachable, but it's not adjustable. I just love the way that sounds. I really love the sound of this. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shishir, and today we're doing a comparison video between the Hermès Videpoches and an Evelyne, which is the Hermès Videpoches, which is the male version of the Evelyne bag, versus the Evelyne bag, versus a mini Evelyne. Oh, just gotta unbox it. Please hold. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching, okay? So if you guys have either of these bags, let me know in the comments below. If you like them, if you don't, what your thoughts are. But basically, please hold while I unbox. She's been resting. She's been resting for a little bit. Let's just get her all situated. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, mini Evelyne Videpoches. Okay, so this is like the new, right, 2023 Videpoches. Again, this my friend got online and is allowing me to use. We're sharing it basically. We're comparing these two, okay? So size-wise, this is a little wider. This is longer, but it's shorter. Kind of like that, but like it's kind of like, I mean, it would fit the same stuff if you kind of turned it this way, basically, right? The H is much smaller and thinner on this one versus that one. And then, you know, obviously this is an open top with a suede interior lining, whereas this is a clou de sel, I think, right? Button closure, and it's a leather, it's all leather interior with a pocket, okay? This is they both can be crossbody, shoulder, whatever, but the Evelynes have a detachable strap, which is their, you know, wool strap, their woolly strap, it's over there. Their woolly detachable strap, and you could technically wear this as a clutch if you really wanted to. Kind of just do it like that and like wear it like that, hold it like that. This strap is not detachable, but it can be worn shoulder, crossbody, every other which way you want it to. And like I said, this is all leather interior. It's got this kind of weird shape here. It's got more roundy shape. Obviously the Evelyne comes in many sizes. I think it's 4 sizes. It has 4 sizes, whereas this Videpoches only comes in 1 size. The leather tabs are on the back there that connect it. That one has, you know, the clips that go here and here. This one has a clip that go in here and here. This one's based off of, right, that they used to use for like feeding horses, right? Based off of it being like kind of that pouchy thing. This is based off of the, I think the Videpoches, like the change tray, if I'm not wrong, and the change tray has these like button closures on all 4 sides, so you can kind of do that, and then you can flatten it if you want. I really do like this. It's a little more secure, it's a little more safe, right? It's got 2 flaps, so it's got 2 layers of, plus the 2 buttons. You gotta undo the, so if someone's trying to get into it, just gotta undo the 2 buttons and then lift up the 2 flaps. This one, even when it's closed, you can still kind of get in there if you really need to and try to slip something out. And usually most people wear their Evelyne kind of like this. I don't see it as much on the mini, and like, it doesn't act like on the larger sizes, which it usually kind of just flaps down really easy because it's a lot heavier. This, you kind of have to push it down to keep it down and then kind of flatten it. But even if you don't, and it's open, it's a lot easier to get into. This way is a lot easier to get into too. I think that this is a little more stretchy in terms of how much it can get in, because of, like, if you were just leaving it open like that, you can get a lot more in. And the larger sizes have a second pocket, whereas the smaller one doesn't. This, if you filled it up, I don't think it would close. And if it did close, it would be really weird shaped. It smells so good. This one, the strap is not detachable. I don't know if I said that already, but you can't take the strap off. It's adjustable, but it's not detachable. But the strap is adjustable on this one. Yeah, adjustable, not detachable. This one, the strap is detachable, but it's not adjustable. It's just one length. And you can't really like loop it through or make it any shorter. But if you wanted, since the strap is detachable, you can just put a shorter strap on here. I've seen people do twillies on this, tie a twilly around it, or use a different strap. You can do all sorts of things, like different straps, because you just gotta hook them here and here, right? So you can get different lengths on this. Like I said, I don't think I know I've used it as just a clutch before, but I don't know that that's a common practice. This one comes in a billion different colors, like literally every color in the sun. I feel like I've only seen this in 4 or 5 colors because it is newer. I've seen it in the black, I've seen it in like an orange, then a taupe, and then like, maybe that's it actually. I just love the way that sounds. I really love the sound of this. But yeah, Size wise, this is kind of what they look like in comparison. You know, obviously this is more of a longer, like a more of a horizontal bag, and it's more of a vertical bag. So depending on how you like to keep your stuff, like this, it's a lot more easy accessible to get everything, whereas this you have to go dig in a little bit deeper, but it's not the end of the world. Thickness wise, yeah, I mean this gets thicker as you go further down. This kind of stays the same and then curves here. And then right height, right, this is a little taller and then this is a little longer. Probably like just as tall. This is as much taller as this is wider, it looks like. Let's see. I mean, it's like pretty much, that's the difference, I guess, right? And then it's a little, pretty much the same. You get the gist of it. I don't think this feels any like more or less masculine, and this doesn't either. I mean, I guess I can see how it's considered a little more masculine, but it's like not really. I do like this a lot. I think I almost like this more than this. I mean, I love this. I love these, and they're, you know, obviously very recognizable, very known. This is newer and so a little less known, so a little more if you know, you know, and also a little more subtle. But you can always wear this one this way, which you can't really do. And I do see a lot of people wear this one this way too. And that way, you know, you can get into it. You're supposed to actually, I think you're actually supposed to wear the H inside. I think it was for like, to have the stuff breathing or something, if I read about that right. And also when then you can access it this way, because that's how you would actually want to open it, right? Is you want to get in this way. Whereas if you wear it this way, that's why people leave it open, because otherwise you have to go to the back to open it up. So that's why people leave it kind of like with that kind of look, so you can get in, but then you show the H. This way you don't have to show the H. And in this world where everything is getting a little scarier and everyone is targeting people and I don't know, stealing and robbing and stuff like that, sometimes maybe you don't want to do the H. I saw a TikTok the other day where somebody like literally had a spear thrown into their car, hit their car, broke through the car, and like was trying to almost hit the person. A spear, like an actual spear. I don't know if that was real or not, but, and then everyone on the video said that this is the second spear video I've seen. Oh, that's kind of fun. I guess you could kind of do this. If you wanted to like kind of wear it like that. Like a little, like hold it like that. That is not really a way to do it, but if you wanted to hold it like a little clutch. Ways to wear. You could do it like that, or you could go like this. Kind of hold it like that. It's not really made to be a clutch, but if you wanted to like do something fun with the strap, I guess you could. I don't know. I really, really like this bag a lot. It's grown on me a lot more. I just really love how to open and close it, and I think it's actually really cool. I think it's a cool shape, and it's a new bag. It's a new bag, it just feels fresh and new and different but the same, right? What do you guys think? Would you want this? Would you get this? It's a little more pricey, obviously. This one was from France, so it was 13 or 1400, but in the US it's like 222 or 21 now, I think. This is 34, so 21, 34. The next size up of this is like 29 maybe, but it's a lot bigger. So I think this is the best size to compare to. This doesn't come out of your sizes. 3,400 for all leather with the wool strap. This is 2,000 for leather exterior, suede, whatever interior with a wool strap. Same size, but this has the, you know, more hardware and a thicker strap. I don't know that changes the price that much. I think it's just the leather. I think it's the extra leather and this double closure thing. And because it's a new bag. I think 3,400 is a little bit of a high price point for this compared to this. I think they should have been around the same price. Do we like this? Do we think it's gonna be an investment piece? I mean, apparently it's really hard to get. My friend was very lucky to get it off the website. Although when they first came on the website, there were like 80 of them or 100 of them. I was able to put like 20 of each color into my cart when I first came on the website. I've only seen this on the website. I know they sell them in the store too. I haven't been in the store in a while, so I don't know when they have them or if they have them. But I know that this was available on the website and was easy to get at first and now is harder to get. Yeah, that's my comparison. Happy to answer any other questions. I have this bag for a little bit longer. My friend's gonna want it back soon. And whatever, I have this for forever, obviously. But that's all I got on this one. Maybe I'll get one for myself. Like I said in my other videos, if I wanted to get one of this, I wouldn't get it in black. I'd get it in a different color. It's the only thing I don't like about it is that, not that I don't like it, but I have enough black. I don't need another black bag. I would want it to get it in that orange color. I think that's really cool. It's bright orange and it's Hermes orange, and I think that would be fun fun bag to have. Anyway, okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much. If you have any other questions about this bag, let me know. Videpoches. You can also do that with it. Also, you can wear this one like not only shoulder thing, but I think you can wear it crossbody. You can also wear it kind of like this. like a this kind of action. Also wear it this way, which I didn't think was a way to wear it, but I guess you technically could just wear it like this kind of bag. Yeah, you can wear this a few different ways, which I didn't even think about this way. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.